I was working in my home office and got a little bit bored, so I decided to switch scenes out here in the living room. Thankfully, with Logitech K380 multi-device Bluetooth keyboard and Logitech Pebble, my experience of working on my computer is pretty much the same. Now, if you're like me and you create content or work on your computer phone for several hours every day, especially if you use a docking station and you know that feeling of when you undock your laptop and you try to type on the keyboard but it feels way off and you have to use this little square for a mouse, this bundle is literally game-changing. As you can see, the Logitech Pebble is just the right size and fits in your pocket, and the Logitech keyboard allows you to switch devices with just the press of a button. So now I can literally type on my iPhone.